Tex, come. 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 Boy. Hey. Sit. Good. We have a paw print ornament kit to do with Mr. Tex here. Huh. Yeah. With these big old lion paws you got there. And so we can hang it on our tree for his first Christmas and then probably do one next year and we can see the size difference in his paws. I think that'll be fun. So, let's open this up. What do we got? That. And this. No, you can't eat that. So we need to knead the putty for 30 seconds and not eat the box ever for anything. No, sir. I need you to sit. 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 Speak. Speak. Good. Speak. Good. Because this might require some mixing. So let me knead this up and get to the next stage and we'll get back to you. Tex, come. Come here. It's paw print time for the ornament. Okay, I need you to sit. I need you to behave.
I need you to sit.
I need you to behave for this because this is gonna this could be disastrous. Okay. Whoa, 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 slow your roll there. Okay, sit. Sit. Okay. Let's go with the right paw. Ready? Here we go. Good boy. And I got a pet wipe ready on the table. It's okay. Do you think we need to make it more?
Yes,
more
he needs to
indented?
step in it more.
Okay, hold on.
Please
Round
hold.
two coming.
Round two.
Okay, take two of the paw print. Let's try and do this again. Okay, I need a little more weight on it, mister. Yeah, it's not food. Okay, ready?
Okay,
Are you ready? Here we go. Good boy.
At least like 5 to 10 seconds, I say.
Here we go. Hold on, bud. Hold on.
Okay.
Stay. Stay. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Shh, it's okay. Good boy. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Make sure you get his toes.
There it is.
That's a good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
Here.
Good boy. Let me wipe that paw off. Come here. Let's see. Hey, no, you can't have that.
It's pretty cool.
Heck yeah. Super cool. Okay. So that's Tex's 10-week paw print. And next year, we'll probably do one again around the same time, just for fun, and see the difference in his paw size after a year. Because he's already got some lion-sized paws on him now, so
yeah.
I'll be excited to see it. So excited to see how big he gets. We love big dogs, so he's gonna be fun. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.